Hey guys, hope you're having a great new year so far. If you're like me and you like the fresh start in the new year by getting your things decluttered, we have 5 basic office supplies to help you stay organized. Most people can relate that their days are so busy and they can't keep track of what's going on in their lives. In the new year, take advantage of using a calendar. Our dry erase calendar helps you keep track of important events in the month, notes, and a dedicated to-do column. It comes with 1 dry erase marker, 2 magnets which can be used to post messages or pictures, and 4 screws to easily mount in an office, dorm, or bedroom wall. If you want to add some color to your calendar, we have bright and assorted dry erase markers with either a fine or chisel tip. We also carry a variety of dry erase boards from different sizes and with different types: blank, corkboard, and a smaller calendar. If you're more of a pen and paper type of person, our undated 12-month calendar is the perfect tool to make year-round planning. Sized at 17 by 22 inches, this calendar allows you to custom schedule monthly and daily, 12 pages for you to custom from January to December, along with the notes section on the side. The calendar's large ruled daily blocks are designed to offer plenty of space for meetings, appointments, special events, and more. The sturdy pre-punched 2 holes make it hang on a wall, refrigerator, or bulletin. If you want to lay the calendar on a desk, it features transparent corner protectors to keep the calendar in place and ensure flat sheets. Perforated page line for easy tearing and a thick backboard to make it easy to write with. Do you have stacks of paper always lying on your desk? Stay ready and organized for presentations, business meetings, interviews, and more with our 3-ring binders. Our binders are ideal for organizing reports, documents, and projects. They could hold up to 175 sheets of paper, and with clear, transparent covers, you can easily insert or customize your binder on the front, back, and spine to differentiate each binder. The rings open and close easily for adding pages as needed, and 2 interior pockets for extra storage. We also have a variety of 1/2 inch, 1.5 inch, 2 inch, and 3 inch binders with different colors like neon or assorted, different designs like glitter or swirly, as well as matted without a view cover. To organize your papers to the next level, insert binder dividers. This pocket divider with 5 insertable color tabs helps protect documents and offers a professional appearance. Color-coded for quick referencing and a clear design to allow you to see through the content and find documents efficiently. Can't forget the 1 front pocket on each divider for loose paper if you're in a rush and don't want to lose the paper. We also have binder dividers in 5, 8, and 10 color tabs, as well as in canary paper. Looking for something that's easy to carry all your paperwork on the go? Whether you're a student trying to organize your assignments or a business owner with lots of documents, you can be sure that everything will fit perfectly and well organized in our Rainbow Poly expanding file. With 7 expandable pockets, it fits both A4 and letter-sized paper and features an elastic band closure to secure all your documents. Okay, we got paperwork out of the way. Now on to the last part, organizing stationery items. Do you ever get that feeling where you have your favorite pen or pencil and you lose it? No need to worry. Our dual-sided organizer box is perfect for students storing school supplies and other small items. Dual-sided with 5 compartments, you can organize all your items. Our transparent design keeps your things visible and allows you to see through the box and find your things easily. This can also be a great gift for young kids to teach them how to stay organized. We hope these 5 tips will help you declutter and keep you organized in the new year. You can shop all these products and more at basicsstore.com. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!